how to share your reading list on Wattpad to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your reading list on Wattpad to Facebook Messenger easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad and go to the top corner right here, click on your profile and go down to your reading list. Choose your reading list, for example this one, and go to the top here and click on this share icon and choose Facebook Messenger right here. It's very easy and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.